Hi everybody, my name is Thais with Julie Security. Welcome to the last video in our Cybersecurity Awareness Month series. Today's topic is Cybersecurity Automation. We're going to explore the benefits and process of automation and compare them to unautomated solutions. Let's get started. A typical cybersecurity solution begins with implementing network security measures. If done manually, the cyber team or IT team implements network security protections, monitors the network for intrusions, and responds accordingly. If the organization has a bigger network with large amounts of connected devices, these tasks can take weeks or even months. The role of cybersecurity automation is twofold: to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks to improve efficiency and workflow, increase the speed, scale, and efficiency of our cyber response. Modern cyber attacks are heavily automated. It's nearly impossible to mitigate an automated cyber attack with manual tools. The window of opportunity to mitigate these threats gets smaller every day.
Automating cybersecurity systems and protocols gives organizations more time to respond and in turn reduces the scale and speed of incoming attacks. Here's a few benefits of automating your cybersecurity. Increase cybersecurity efficiency, increase threat response speed and larger scale, greater visibility into network and network-related incidents, automatic real-time detection and response, convergence of all cybersecurity systems and software, cleaner data collection leading to better decision-making, and reduced cost. In terms of reduced cost, organizations will not require as many resources to run the security systems. Existing IT and cyber teams can expect less stress with threat detection and mitigation happening in real time automatically. Organizations can invest in cybersecurity platforms and tools that include CISO and CIO support services to inform and educate management and support the automation process. As cyber attacks become more sophisticated every day, automation tools have become an absolute necessity. However, when considering automation, every organization should still consider its cybersecurity budget and examine the risks and benefits of automation. Manual cybersecurity solutions are still viable today, and they also have risks and benefits like automated solutions. Think of the example we mentioned earlier. Automated cyber attacks take seconds to happen. An automated system can counter within seconds, while manually responding to such an attack will undoubtedly take time. Larger, well-known organizations are predicted to receive hundreds and thousands of threat alerts every month. This amount may be smaller for small to mid-sized businesses, but it's important to remember SMBs are a favorite target for cyber attacks. This information must be taken into account when deciding to invest in automation.
Determining the cost of cybersecurity automation can be difficult. First, organizations must consider their cybersecurity budget, determine what system they have in place and what to automate. So, how can you automate your cybersecurity? Automation looks different within every company. Decision makers should consider what needs automation rather than automating everything possible. A few systems that benefit the most from automation are breach and threat detection and mitigation, incident response, software updates and patching, data encryption, compliance validation, and certifications. Another things are staff training, so it's very important too. Creating a cybersecurity checklist complies to specific needs of the company in one place. It's more effective to invest in cybersecurity product or service that already includes the organization's needs. There must be a collaboration between management, OT, and IT teams to determine the needs, the needed tools and resources for automation.
Thank you for joining us for a Cybersecurity Awareness Month series. We hope the series was informative. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for new content all year round.